Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and zip files on your Oppo Reno 7 Lite. So in order to do this, we'll need to download Rar App, which we've shown how to do it in our other video. Now let's locate the file that we want to unpack, and mine is located in DCIM then camera. Here's a pictures.rar which I'm gonna unpack. So if you want to unpack it, click on it. If it's protected by a password and encrypted, you will need to enter the password right now. So I'm gonna do it, and here we have access to all 3 files inside. Now we can select each file that we want to unpack, or if you want to unpack everything, click on this arrow pointing up without selecting any. Now click on the browse and you'll be able to pick the destination where the files will go. So I want my files to go to the movies. Click OK to save that. Now you can change the settings to ask before overwrite, overwrite without prompt, or skip existing files. You can enable to keep broken files, or do not extract paths or display extracted files. After everything is set, click OK. And that way you'll unpack all the files. Now let's move to the movies folder just to check if the files are there. So there's the 3 pictures that we just unpacked right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and comment below.